Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a video on this pretty cool historical place called Weymouth Furnace. Looks like a bridge. Looks like a bridge, don't know if it is or not. Looks like those are just two friends, my sister and my dad's friend here. It's like a giant furnace. You can see the stove part. Just gonna go. This is pretty cool, man. Like an old it's called a furnace. Weymouth Furnace here in New Jersey. Pretty nice place, pretty nice.
Now you gotta sit down.
Alright, now I'm gonna try and attempt this. All parts of a building. It's like making my way on this little skinny ass little railing looking thing.
My phone's like hanging out my pocket.
Yeah, we're turning around. It's like foundation, looks like foundation for a house or something like that. This place is pretty neat. Little parts like a building or something like shit like that on there. Holy, what the fuck? What the hell is this shit here? Giant old metal pipe or something. Dude, this place is cool. Another part of a wall. Holy shit. This is the bridge. Set up under a bridge here. There's the water, a lake. Huh. Place is pretty nice. Really like this place. It's real cool. Don't know if you can really hear me so well. There's the people around. Don't people think I'm talking to myself like a bumbling idiot, but you know. You can go under the bridge and stuff.
But I want to do a bunch of stuff. Who's in with me? You want to walk across that one?
You can go under the bridge. You can go under the bridge and like and stuff. No, under the bridgeway there.
That's fucking Humpty Dumpty, man.
I don't care. I'll try it. I'll try this No, I'll try this section over here.
Alright, Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, this is a little sketch. Okay, no, this isn't even sketchy at all. Okay. I'm not going up there, but I'm just gonna turn around. Turn the shiznit around. Damn. Look at the pipe behind you, Age. A little metal thing right on the ground. On the ground. Right there. There's a lot.
Look at me.
Walking across the other side here. More wall. And like part of a building here, which is pretty neat. Little hole for maybe a window. Holy shit, this place is big. Sort of 4 minutes and 15 seconds so far of footage. I don't know if you can see this, but the sun's in the way and shit, so I don't know. But I don't really care. It's pretty cool. Holy shit, she's actually on the top of that thing, man. She's going like a spider monkey. Look at the part of the building toppled over. Wall. Wow. Look at this, like support for like a supports, like wooden supports with like metal and shit for a building. Like part of the bridge, maybe. or house or whatever the shit used to be. It's like from the 1700s and stuff. Just checking this place out. Really amazing. Behind the camera because I want you guys to enjoy the beauty of this place. Sweet. Place is amazing. Just going back under the bridge. Go back under the bridge again. Just gonna go over in this section here. So you go around here on the other side of the road. See if there's anything else over here. No, just a little water creek. This is actually gonna go on YouTube.
Can I see?
I gotta read it. I gotta watch this. Big part of a building fell here. Pay no attention to those underwear that's on the floor. Holy shit. So what they actually used to build this stuff with. Half this stuff, which is pretty neat. Oh, metal, what they had back then. I believe it's 1700s, looks like it too. There's a pretty neat little place. I love this place, man. There's an exploring video here. Just checking this place out. Don't know if you guys can really hear me, but it's alright. Just enjoy the beauty of this place. It's pretty. Alright, you guys. Just want to do a little quick video, which I'll post in a couple days from here. Alright, this place. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Just want to do a video of this cool place I explored. I love this place. Pretty cool. First time going here, though. That's the video. The whole video. See you guys.